Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video I just wanted to show you how to make your own like Febreze or air freshener for the house. And I just have this 3 simple ingredients, which one of them is water, so I wouldn't count that as ingredient. And a cup of water, some measuring spoons there, and I just bought a bottle of fabric softener from the 99-cent store. And it's just the scented, like flower scented basically. I didn't have much of a choice there, so I had to pick this one out of 2 other ones. Then I have baking soda, and I bought a brand new box just to ensure the freshness of it. And it's requiring like 3 tablespoons of baking soda for this mixture, and of course a water bottle. And I decided to get a brand new water bottle and not to get one from around the house. So I'm going to go ahead and just demonstrate how to make the mixture and combine the ingredients, and then do a demonstration on it.
So it's a cup of water, then half a cup of the fabric softener.
Of course, I spilled some of the water, so I'm going to pour a little more in, make up for that. A baking soda sifter, so it's going to make a mess to get this in also. So that's one. And that was a big heap. And once again, I am spilling it, so all there is to it. Put the top back on it. There you have it. So then I'm just going to test it out. I tested out in the carpet, and I'm just going to spray some over the comforter. It's all safe stuff, so I don't see why it hurt to with it. I just finished vacuuming the bedroom.